Hi, I'm Braden, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put a new hard drive into your computer. First thing you want to do is make sure your computer is off and there's no power running through it. The way you do that is just press the power button, could be on the top or on the front of your case, and wait for the computer to shut down all by itself. Then unplug the power supply cable and flick the switch off. And after you've done that, you need to take the side panel off your case. You need to take the screws out of the back. I have thumb screws, so I can just take them off with my hands. You may have traditional screws, so you might need a screwdriver. Popping the side panel off or sliding it off, it depends which kind of case you have. Mine just pops off with a little bit of pressure. And I've got a fan on the side of my case. If you have that, you need to be careful not to yank it out of the motherboard. Just unplug it real carefully. Be sure not to knock any of the cords around or anything else in your case, and just put the side panel somewhere safe. Next, you need to take the hard drive tray out of your computer. It could have screws, it could have a simple locking mechanism like mine. You just have to push and pull. I have soft trays in my computer. You can take any one of the trays out of yours. I have 5 in mine, so I just took one of the empty ones out. And next, you need to take the new hard drive out of the anti-static bag it probably came in. Most new hard drives come in an anti-static bag. Next, you need to make sure with a soft case or a soft tray, you have plugs that fit into the holes on the side of a hard drive. There's 3 on either side, and the plugs fit right into those holes. Or if you have hard trays, then the screws. Make sure you line those up. Just bend the tray out and the plugs fit right into the holes. Make sure nothing's loose and just slide it right back into your computer after you've plugged in the 2 SATA cables. There's one small one about 1/2 inch long, and it plugs right into the back of the hard drive. And there's another one about 1 inch long, and it plugs in right beside that. Slide the tray back in your computer. Make sure you don't pinch any of those cables. And push the locking mechanism back in, or the screws if you're using a hard tray. While your case is open, it's not a bad idea just to clean some of the dust out. No computer is dust free. And now it's time to put the side panel back onto the case. For me, I have to plug my fan back into the motherboard. Again, be careful not to knock any of the other cables out. And just line the case up with the side panel and put it on in the reverse way that you took it off. Make sure it's secure. And when you're putting the screws back in, you want to start with the bottom screw because that's the side of the case that's going to want to force itself off. And then put the top screw back in. And that's how you put a new hard drive in your computer. Thanks for watching.